Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make movie-explained videos with AI. First, leverage advanced AI to dissect film narratives, extracting crucial plot points and thematic elements with incredible speed. This foundational step ensures your explanation is accurate and comprehensive. Next, utilize AI to generate a compelling script, transforming complex movie details into an easily digestible story. This streamlined approach saves countless hours, allowing you to focus on creative direction rather than manual analysis or writing. Once the core analysis is complete, AI takes over script generation, crafting a narrative that flows seamlessly and captures viewer attention. This includes identifying key scenes and dialogue. Simultaneously, AI assists in visual selection, suggesting specific movie clips or generating unique graphics to illustrate complex points. Imagine an AI sifting through hours of footage to pinpoint the perfect 10-second segment, or creating a bespoke animation in mere moments. This integration ensures a visually rich and informative video. With your script and visuals ready, AI voice synthesis brings your explanation to life. Select from a vast library of voices, each capable of conveying different tones and emotions, ensuring your narration perfectly matches the movie's mood. The AI then automatically synchronizes this voiceover with your chosen video clips and graphics, eliminating tedious manual adjustments. Furthermore, AI-powered editing tools can refine pacing, add dynamic transitions, and even suggest background music, delivering a polished final product in a fraction of the time. Finally, before publishing, AI performs a comprehensive review of your video, checking for consistency, factual accuracy, and overall viewer engagement. It can even suggest improvements to your title and description for optimal search engine visibility, ensuring your video reaches the widest possible audience. Once published, AI tools can monitor performance and analyze audience feedback, providing invaluable insights for your next project. This end-to-end AI workflow is the most efficient way to produce high-quality movie explanation videos.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.